Alright boys, Deus 2.00, the 9-inch call. Now I've got a few of these here. Got some washers, ferrous. You know, when you go hunt, there's lots of washers you could have basking targets. There's an old lock washer. See that? See down below it there, just about straight under that lock washer, is a 10-carat gold ring. Bird dog program. And I'm gonna actually go in here. I'm gonna bring that number down. I don't have to. There's a 2 to 7 notch. 2.5 is everything you're gonna see for speed in this video. You hear that? Look at that 1 in that meter, boys. What about if we come over here? You see that? A 1. Conventional program, same speed, same size of 1, 6.8 disc, 5 tones. What do we get? I'm down there about an inch over that washer, boys. I hear nothing but iron tone. I'm gonna raise the coil. Start hearing when I get up there, I start hearing that sound right there. Transitioning to the bird program from the same call height. Get that higher sounding tone in there with that call height. Down low with the bird program. Back to the conventional program. Over here. Straight over that washer. Iron tone. Up. 3 inches of call height. You hear what you get. Same call height. Bird dog program. Don't that sound better? Bring the call out here. And I'm going to bring the call out here. Conventional program. Down close. Nothing. Bird program with a call out here down close. Okay, we don't get anything there either, but if I advance the call slightly forward right there. Conventional program, right in there, nothing. I'm gonna raise the call out here. We got a 4 in the meter with a conventional program. You get to hear that signal. Same call height, bird program. All right. You see the washer there, boys. You see the gold ring. Gold ring has been removed. What does this washer do in the bird or the conventional program? Iron tone. With a 4 and 5, the bird program. Dead quiet. No ID presented because I'm running a notch. Turn the camera off. I've got a few more washers here we'll look at. Alright boys, see a same 10-carat small gold ring. You might see it right under there. Look at that thing. Whatever that thing is. Bird dog program. What do we get? You hear that signal? You see that 1 in that meter? What about over here? I get the call in one little spot there, I get a little higher tone. You hear that 1 in that meter there? Conventional program. Back over here where we started. Hear that? 2 inches above that, 1 inch above that, iron tone. Here's about 3 inches. Nothing, 4 inches. Start to hear that signal there at about 4 inches. Wonder if that's a shallow target. Over here, down close. Iron tone, 2 inches, 3, 4. Again, at 4 inches, we start getting some kind of little sputter there. Hear that? I'm going to hold the call still, transition to the bird program from 4 inches above. You hear that? Alright. Whatever that thing is there, it looks like that's one of them keyway locks that goes in a groove in a piece of equipment. I felt it in my barn. There's the old gold ring, boys. And here we go, sweeping just over the ferrous object bird dog program. Nothing. Conventional program, 6.8 disc, iron toned. The way I showed that originally is there a single frequency machine that would hit and give you, alert you to that gold ring.